Introducing a new add-in from BIMIL, Filter plus Visibility. In Revit, hiding or isolating specific categories usually means selecting elements one by one, and toggling visibility for just the categories needed has always been a hassle. With Filter Visibility, controlling visibility becomes effortless. Launch the add-in to see the preset list. Add a preset, choose between Hide or Isolate mode, and select the categories to control. Once added, a single toggle controls all categories in the preset at once. It uses temporary hide isolate, so visibility settings remain untouched. Create multiple presets and mix them to fit different needs. For even faster access, assign presets to ribbon buttons. The ribbon button shows active state, allowing instant toggling with a single click. Keyboard shortcuts make it even faster. Download Filter plus Visibility on BIMIL.